Hey everybody, welcome back to Auto Anatomy. On this episode, we're going to do something a little bit different. As many of our subscribers know, my dad's got a 28 Model A and he loves driving the car, but with winter coming, we want to make sure that he can continue to drive the car through cold weather. So we've picked up a couple of bits that are going to help that along. We picked up an NOS heater assembly for the waffle manifold and side curtains and a top assembly. So in this episode we're going to show the installation of the heater as well as getting the car kind of sealed up and making it a little bit more drivable for cool weather. And additionally we'll go for a test drive. So let's get started. This just sits right there, doesn't it? I mean, since it's got a little bit of a slot for adjustment, I guess.
Yep. If it needs it.
That is so cool. I mean, this is just the easiest possible little heater, but you know, it works.
Alright.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay. So on the firewall, is there a seal or anything, like a piece of hose that connects the heater?
There probably was originally.
I would think though that would be pretty sufficient though as it is, just to.
Oh yeah.
And here's your thermostat. More heat, less heat.
It's good. Oh, you put top up. Alright. You get over on that side where the camera is. I'll get over here on the ugly man's side.
Nah.
No. Good.
So this snaps down.
Let's just put the top up.
So this snaps down.
This clumps over like this.
Okay.
Snaps.
So the little part goes on the inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. And then that one doesn't snap because there's the wiper there. Okay, so then this pushes down and tightens on.
There's mine. Yeah, okay. Sits down over there good.
Gotcha.
Down.
Gotcha.
Now, we have to take the rear window down.
And I undid a little more on that side. So it looked like you had that little flap here. Okay. And I undid a little more on that side. So it looked like you had that little flap here, Dad. Right here. These guys have a little hole here that slides right down. Get the That's how you seal up a Model A for winter driving.
There you go.
Yep.
I seal it pretty nice.
It's not bad. I mean, it's not as tight as a new car, but it's pretty tight.
But it's probably as tight as a new car being 100 years.
Probably, probably.
I've seen them
So they just slide up.
Supposed to.
Let's see if I can remember this. So spark
Throttle.
retard a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
And pull the throttle down just a little bit, or up?
Down.
Down.
Just a little bit. Turn the gas on.
Tuck inside?
They tuck inside the ends there, theoretically.
Okay, so outside the metal frame, but inside the...
Yeah.
There we go.
Theoretically. We may have to, they've been folded up a bit for a while, so it may
take a little bit. Alright, so
that's all.
Forward.
Yep. Take a little bit of revs to get it loosened up.
Yeah.
Okay, the heat work already.
Wow. This ain't really is a tractor, isn't it? It's just chugging right along and
Absolutely.
so yeah, I feel a little heat coming already.
Yeah. Which is pretty impressive when you consider how tightly sealed the car is.
Yeah. What they are in the Ranchero.
No. But then again, they never were.
Alright, that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content that you see here, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified when new videos come out. Let me know additionally in the comments below what you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.